Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to download the Microsoft Streams app to see recording of the class. What you need to do, open your Play Store, or if you are using an iOS device, open your Apple Store and click on and search for Microsoft Streams. And here comes the Microsoft Streams app. You just need to click on install button. And soon it will start downloading and will download in a small amount of time because it's a very small app, just 40 MB, and just in a few minutes your app will download. You just need to click on the open option here. Now you need to type your account which has been given from the school, as if my account is here. I have typed my account and then I will click on sign in. It will say something like this, then this. It's a quite slow app, so you need to wait a little. Then it will ask you for a password. So here I will type my password. And now I will type my password. Your screen may go blur or black due to security reasons. Then click on sign in. Maybe I have typed the wrong password, just a second. Now I am signing in. Then it will start signing you into Microsoft Streams. So it will show something like this. You can just once reload so that it loads properly. Because it's a large platform on Teams, you may be able to see other teachers' videos also. So what you need to do, you need to click here. There is a button below. I will show you just here down. My content. You have to click here. After clicking here, there will be three options: watch list, on offline, my videos. You need to click on my videos. In this you can see all the videos which I have uploaded are here. Just a second, it's loading. Now see, all the videos which I have only uploaded are here. So here will not there here there will be no videos from other teachers or any other student or something like that. There will be only the videos which you have uploaded. All the videos will be in a proper order. Like you can see, all the videos here will be date wise. Like see, here it is 21, 19, 18, 18, 18, 17, 16. All the videos will be date wise. So thank you for seeing my video. Please like this video, comment, and if you are having any problem you can comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.